In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a second y-axis to graphs in Excel. If you are working with two data series that use very different value ranges, adding a second y-axis can make your chart much easier to read. This is especially helpful when one series is much larger or smaller than the other, and you want both sets of data to stand out clearly on the same graph. To begin, go to your chart and right-click the specific data series you want to move to the second axis. This could be a bar or a line depending on the chart you are using. From the menu that appears, select Format Data Series near the bottom. Once you do that, look over to the right side of the screen for the Format Data Series sidebar. In that panel, find Series Options. If needed, click the Series Options icon, which looks like a small bar chart. This is where Excel lets you control how that selected series is displayed. Now click the radio button next to Secondary Axis. As soon as you select it, Excel will place that data series on a second vertical axis. This new y-axis should appear on the right side of your graph. That gives the selected series its own scale, which can make the chart easier to interpret. After that, move to the top ribbon and locate the Design tab. Click it, then choose Change Chart Type. This opens the Chart Type settings, where you can fine-tune how each series appears. In the Chart Type window, look for the Combo section near the bottom of the list. Combo charts are useful because they let you assign different chart styles to different data series within the same graph. Find the drop-down menu next to your secondary series and click it. Then select Line. Using a line for the secondary series often helps it stand out more clearly against bars or other chart elements, especially when both series share the same chart space. Take a moment to verify that the new y-axis is visible on the right side of the graph and that your secondary data series now appears as a line. This is a good time to quickly check that the chart looks balanced and that both sets of data are easy to compare. Once everything looks correct, click the X to close the sidebar. That covers everything you need to know.